In today's video, we take you through our step-by-step process of cleaning and restoring a vintage Dooney Bourke small Essex Crossbody bag in beautiful saddle tan all-weather leather with British tan trim. This adorable Dooney was a rare thrifted find at over 30 years old that we took from Preloved to reloved. When we got her, she looked like she'd been run over by a bus. She was horribly misshapen, and her beige interior suede was literally gray from dirt. We were super excited to give her a much-deserved spa day. Today we're sharing how we brought her back to life. We'll have everything we used in the process linked in the description box below. Welcome to the Velvet Muzzle, where we specialize in giving pre-loved vintage and luxury bags a second chance. Some of these treasures we keep for ourselves, while others are available for purchase on our website at thevelvetmuzzle.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so you know when we share a new pre-loved restoration. Enjoy!